time for my daily cold plunge, number 212. 212 cold plunges. That's crazy, in a good way, of course. Yeah, pretty cool. My water is 45 degrees. I take cold plunges in my chest freezer that's just chilling on my porch because, oh well, that's one of my cats. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get in and knock it out. I stay in for at least 3 minutes and focus on my breathing, regulating that, and it really has been helpful for me getting my stress response under control. I don't have panic attacks anymore. Anxiety is something that is much easier to deal with now, and it doesn't feel as common of an occurrence in my life, so that's really delightful. All over, daily cold plunges are awesome for me, and I love them. And yeah, I'm gonna take mine now. So, day 212, let's do it. I have knocked out 3 minutes in this thing. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels good. Got some great breath work in, and now I'm gonna go stand in the sun and warm myself up. So, thank you for watching my cold plunge today. I'll be back at it tomorrow for another one, and I'll see you then. Bye.